Hello, this is Cheryl from Landpack. Today I'm going to show you our special machine for this bag. This is 4-size sealing bag, and inside there is another film. One bag can carry 2 liquid. Okay, now let's go. As you can see, this machine has 2 different liquid pumps, and we can fill 2 different kind of liquids, no matter the oil, the shampoo one. And we have a cutter here to cut this film into 2 parts. And then we put another layer, another film into the middle of it. After that, this is our sealing part and pulling the film, and end sealing part and the cutter. At the end of this machine, we have a short conveyor belt to collect the finished products. Okay, now let's see how this machine operates. So that's all for today. If you like our video, you can give us a big thumbs up or share these links to your friends or contact us to get more information. So bye!